A lot of men keep asking for answers while ignoring the lessons life has already put in front of them. You say you need clarity, direction, and motivation, but life has been speaking to you for years, through money problems, through jobs you hated, through people who disappointed you, through opportunities you mishandled, through pressure you felt when nobody was around to help. Life has been teaching you. The problem is not that you have not learned enough. The problem is that you have not processed enough. Some men repeat the same year with a different job, relationship, business idea, and environment, but underneath it all, it is the same excuses and broken promises. Experience alone does not make you wiser. Pain alone does not make you stronger. Getting older does not automatically make you better. Wisdom comes from studying what happened and asking, what was this trying to teach me? Growth begins when you become man enough to study your own life, your wins, your losses, your habits, your spending, your work ethic, your private standards. Your life is giving you data every day. Your bank account is data. Your body is data. Your calendar is data. Your reputation is data. Your stress level is data. The way you handle pressure is data. If the data keeps showing the same problem, you do not need more signs. You need reality. A serious man does not run from the numbers. He does not hide from feedback. He does not protect his ego from the truth. He looks at reality and says, good, now I know what needs work. That is the difference between a man who is rebuilding and a man who is surviving. The survivor complains about pressure. The builder studies it. The survivor asks, why is this happening to me? The builder asks, what is this revealing in me? If you are building a business, providing for family, repairing finances, building your body, and earning respect, you cannot live casually. Casual men get casual results. Some of you do not have casual responsibilities. You have rent, mortgage, debt, family expectations, business expenses, work stress, and a future you are trying to build while your past is collecting payment. Pressure does not excuse you from discipline. It makes discipline urgent. When life gets heavy, your systems, habits, standards, focus, and ability to act while tired matter. Men are separated when they are stressed, uncertain, and still choose the responsible move. That is where self-respect is built. Not in public, in private, when nobody is clapping, when nobody sees the discipline, when it would be easy to lie to yourself. Motivation has an expiration date. You hear something powerful, and for a moment you feel awake. You feel like this time will be different. But if you do not turn that feeling into action quickly, it starts to disappear. The old routine pulls you back. The phone gets your attention. The bills come. The stress returns. Comfort starts whispering. And that powerful moment becomes another thing you felt but never used. Do not do that with your life. If something hits you, move immediately. Write the plan, check the account, make the call, start the workout, fix the schedule, make the decision. Turn emotion into evidence. A feeling without action is noise. A dream without a plan is decoration. A plan without execution is paper. Become the type of man who moves decisively. Write the problem down. Name it. Is it money, discipline, health, skill, fear, pride, laziness, lack of structure? A problem you refuse to name will keep controlling you. Then write what you can control. What can I do today? What can I fix this week? What skill do I need? What expense needs to be cut? What conversation am I avoiding? What part of this is my responsibility? Responsibility gives you access to the answer. When you stop pretending, you can finally plan. When you finally plan, you can finally move. Build the skill, not just the quick fix. You do not just need more money. You need better money habits. You do not just need more clients. You need better sales skills. You do not just need respect. You need consistency. You do not just need confidence. You need evidence. Give yourself time, but stop giving yourself excuses. Patience is commitment without panic. Excuses are delay dressed up as logic. Reflect every day. Where did I win? Where did I fold? What did I avoid? What did I handle? If you do not review your life, you will repeat it. Take your life seriously now. Clean up your money. Strengthen your word. Build your body. Protect your focus. Lead yourself first. Pain studied becomes wisdom. Pressure handled becomes strength. Discipline repeated becomes identity. Your life has been teaching you. Now become serious enough to learn. If this resonated, subscribe for more wisdom, discipline, leadership, and motivation to rebuild yourself.